tight control and due process models as well as overriding fear too much power being placed in the hands of centralized. Federal law enforcement ability as well as an overriding fear of too much power being placed in the hands of centralized. Federal law enforcement entity representing the largest segment of criminal justice system. It has over 1 million employees. The temporary law enforcement agencies operate in a variety of levels within local states, and federal jurisdiction, or areas of responsibility, although the boundaries across levels would appear to be straightforward, since each enforces the law of its respective level. In practice, the boundaries often are more of a gray than black, white tone. There is no direct order of authority with respect to this jurisdiction. For example, in most cases, federal law enforcement cannot exert authority over local matters unless entrusted by local authorities. Each level of law enforcement has its own jurisdiction. These difficulties are further fueled by the territorial nature of many law enforcement agencies. So, ang topic is all about USA policy. Matakan tayo kung sa ilang duties and responsibilities o kung sa ilang mga jurisdiction. Good mo? So, types of police systems. Municipal police. This includes village, township, city, and county police departments, sheriff departments, and a variety of special purpose agencies like transit authority and housing authority police. Typically, it has general policing duties for their respective jurisdiction. So, ang duties sa municipal police is first, crime prevention and investigation. So, ang municipal police is investigate sila crimes, gather sila evidence, nag-interview witnesses, and then make arrest. Then, nag-handle sila cases ranging from theft and assault to homicide and domestic violence. Next is patrolling. Police officers conduct regular patrols in neighborhood to deter crime, respond to emergencies, and provide a visible presence in the community. Next is traffic enforcement. They enforce traffic laws, respond to accidents, issue citations for violation like and manage traffic flow during peak hours or special events. Lastly is public safety. Municipal police respond to emergencies such as fires, medical incidents, or natural disaster. They also assist in disaster preparedness and community safety education. Next is there are two subtypes of local police. First is county sheriff police. County sheriff office has jurisdiction over large areas and in charge with the operation of county jail, civil functions such as service, eviction, notices, and other court orders and police responsibility. From county sheriff police, the office daw ay law enforcement and related areas. The sheriff office is the primary law enforcement agency in rural and incorporated parts of the country, where is no city police department. First is jail and detention facilities. In many countries, the sheriff office is responsible for operating county jail, housing inmates, and overseeing prisoner transport. Next is country security and civil process. Sheriff deputies often provide security for country courts and serve legal documents like subpoenas, warrants, and eviction notices. Last is search and rescue. They will also be involved in search and rescue operations, especially in rural or wilderness areas. Muna siya sa country office, country sheriff office. Next is city police, most common local police organization in that jurisdiction over matters that occur in an unincorporated municipality. Ang police, ang city police naman kay duties and responsibilities nila kay kanya po, crime prevention and investigation. So, focus sila sa crime like theft, robbery, assault, and drug offenses. Next is traffic enforcement. Enforce naman sila ang traffic laws. Pero sa dahil sa city lang, nila. Next is community policing. Engage with the community through programs aimed at crime prevention and building relationships. Next is varieties of local policing. First is legislative style. Relying upon the formal criminal law as the definition of not only with what situation merit their attention, but in what manner they should interpret its characterized by processes to issue citation and make charge. So sa legislative style, this refers to the manner in which a legislator or lawmaker approaches the role and creation of passing of laws. It can involve example is advocacy and negotiation. How a legislator debates, argue, for or works to build solutions around a proposed piece of legislation. Next is service style. Treat every citizen complaint as requiring police response. It is characterized by meaning police citizen conducts but relatively few citation and arrest. So our service style, for example, is constitute services. How an official help their constituents with various needs, such as solving problems with government agencies or providing information. So in summary, ang legislative style is about how an official handles lawmaking and policy discussion, while ang service style is about how they manage relationship with constituents and deliver services. Next is watchman style. Exercise considerable discretion in defining whenever a situation requires police response and what that response should be. It is characterized by fewer officer-initiated contacts with citizens and emphasizes the peacekeeping function of policing. So, watchman style one is, for example, is order maintenance. The primary focus on keeping the peace and controlling behavior, often through restriction and formal methods. Officer may look the other way for minor infractions unless they threaten public order. Next is state police. Highway patrol who are typically given the task regulating traffic and maintaining order and safety on state federal highways. In many states, part of
state police, highway patrol who are typically given the task regulating traffic and maintaining order and safety on state federal highways. In many states, road guards office order mandates providing federal police service in people living in ungovernmented areas. Special designated agency that concentrate on statewide law enforcement. Also one of the state police functions. Ang state police ay muna siyang gitawag ng syudad. Ayan sa state, muna siyang gitawag ng syudad. Ang state police sa Pilipinas pa lang, muna ang patrolman, muna yung nag-check sa syudad. or sa mga tao para ma-maintain ang order and safety. Federal Police Agency. Police agency supervised by the federal government at the national level, which most of these have limited responsibilities and do not provide a general police service to citizens. Kung yung nagamando o naghatag o power sa mga police agency para ma-maintain ang law and safety sa syudad. Some federal agencies are having a certain police function, a protection of life, property, and enforcement of penal status. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, or gitawag ng FBI Department of Justice, is to investigate all violations of federal law, except those where enforcement authority has been specially assigned to someone other. Federal agency also investigate all cases sabotage, suppression, and other matters related to internal security. Ang Federal Bureau or itawag ng PBI kay morning na guys investigate sa mga violation sa federal law, example sa mga violation kay firearms offenses, fraud, gun offense o immigration offense. Ang ubang federal agency na sila specific task and wala may lagot ang FBI. United States Secret Service ay itawag na Department of Treasury. Chiefly concerned with investigating the counterfeiting, forgiving, or entering of aiding of the money or other securities of the USA. Also, charged with the protection of President and family in security mansion grounds. Ina-investigate nila ang mga krimen na ginagawa sa kwarta sa bansa o ang safety sa President and VP family nila ang White House asa ito yung Presidente. Bureau of Narcotics o itawag ng supervision investigate all violation of federal relating to narcotic drugs and marijuana. Taas nila na investigahan ang mga crime about sa mga narcotics o marijuana. Protection of National One Intelligence Unit of the Bureau of Internal concerned by primarily with the investigation of violation of income tax law. Ina-investigate nila ang mga tax na pinabayad sa mga gobyerno. Number 2, alcohol tax unit of the internal investigate violation of internal revenue laws relating to liquors. Anong mga alcohol na yung mga tax, anong mga alcohol na yung mga tax na ginabayaran, inabistigahan mo na kung tama ba ang ginabayad ng tax. Division of Investigation Control Bureau of Customs investigates smuggling activities and requires customs and regulation law. Ginamistigahan ang mga smuggling activity. Example lang na-export ang mga product gikan sa lain bansa. Padulong sa US, wala nangyari sa tamang proseso. Wala ipaagi sa gusto kay para walay bayad sa tax. Suban, kay mga fake, dapat po ni mansigan o mo ang tax sila. Balik.
Private agencies at the President of Bureau of Indian Affairs, BIA, nasa 556 na tribo sa 31 states are 31 na mga estado sa mga tribo Native American. Ang mga tribo nga Native American para sa ilang kaugalingon gobyerno kung ang pinadagan na mga tribo nasa southwest o ang pinadagan o ang tribo nation sa Arizona. Private police. Ang mga police nagkatawag dugang protection sa mga private entidad, pinahagis sa mga employees, sa mga sworn na opisyal sa publiko, pinahagis sa kontrata kung wala sila sa ilang opisyal na duty sa publiko. Improve basic from which private housing is provided. Proprietary security. Ang prinsipal ng tao nga gusto makatawag ng servisyo, direkta nga buwag security personnel. B. Contract security. Ang prinsipal na katawag ng servisyo gikan sa isa ka independent na security company para mahimong police officer sa laing lugar. Kinahanglan nga na school diploma o college degree. Kinahanglan kung na 21 years old. Mataas. Kagitan, dapat ako na driver license. Makakuha ng kani kay wala yung record na ilo niyo magpasar sa writing exam, medical exam. Kalang mga laboratory interview, physical agility o psychological screening. Ranking system common to various state. Chief of Police, Police Commissioner, Superintendent, Sheriff, o ang mga opisyal nga namumuno sa mga operasyon sa opisyal sa ilang sa mga lugar sila responsable sa pagpatupad ng batas sa mga police personnel o pagsisiguro sa kaligtasan ng komunidad. Assistant Chief of Police, Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Superintendent Chief, o ng mga opisyal na magtabang sa pangulo sa komunidad sila nagtabang sa pagpaigayon sa mga pulisya kung patupad sa operasyon aron masiguro mayong servisyo sa komunidad. Deputy Undersheriff. Deputy Undersheriff mo ang ikaduwang pinakataas na opisyal sa opisina sa sheriff. Siya ang matabang sa sheriff sa pagkakasiwa sa mga operasyon patuman sa palawan sa komunidad. Deputy Undersheriff. Deputy Undersheriff mo ang ikaduwang pinakataas na opisyal sa opisina sa sheriff. Siya ang matabang sa sheriff sa pangasiwa sa mga operasyon patuman sa palawan sa komunidad. Inspector Commander. Ang Inspector Commander mo ang opisyal nga nagmumuna sa isa kada po nga unit o division sa pulisan. Sila ang responsable sa pagtuman sa operasyon o pagsiguro ng mga pulis trabaho sa mga sa mga operasyon. Kolonel, Muna na rin sa kataas na tanggong opisyal sa pulisan ng military na namumuno sa dagkong mga operasyon o mga unit. Siya hindi dagkong mga responsibilidad sa pagdambo patuman sa mga Afrika o pulisya alas sa seguridad. Major Deputy Inspector, Major Deputy Inspector, mga opisyal na responsibilidad sa pagmumuno sa Saka Unit o Seksyon sa Pulisyan. Siya nagtrabaho ubos sa mga taas ng mga opisyal o nag-coordinate sa mga operasyon alam na siguro na hapsa yung mga servisyo sa seguridad. Captain, ang captain o Saka opisyal na sa Saka team o coordinate sa mga operasyon o pulisan siya. Sa iyang area, siya ang sulit magpatuman sa mga plano sa seguridad o siguro na ang pulis magtrabaho para sa mga regulasyon. Lieutenant sa kapisyal na namumuno sa mas gamay ng unit o team sa kapisyal o nag-report sa kapitan siya nag-organize o na-monitor sa ato-ato ang mga buhaton lalo siguro na maayo ang operasyon. Sergeant, ang sergeant isang opisyal na gumala sa mga pulis sa unit monitor sa ilang at-ato mga buhaton siya ang responsable sa team pagsiguro tumbang nila ang ilang mga responsibilidad sa servisyo. Detective, inspector, investigator. At detective, usa ka tao nga nagtulong, nagtutok sa pagsulbat sa mga kaso pinagi sa investigasyon. Ang inspector, usa ka ranggo sa pulisan nga namumuno sa investigasyon o nag-associate sa mga kaso sa kriminal. Ang detective usa ka tawo nga nagtutok sa pagsulbat sa mga kaso pinagi sa investigasyon. Ang inspektor usa ka ranggo sa pulisan nga namumuno sa investigasyon o nag-associate sa mga kaso sa kriminal. Officer Deputy Corporal. Ang officer usa ka miyembro sa pulisan nga naay responsibilidad sa paghatag mga mando o siguro sa kalinaw o kayuan, deputy sa assistant sa isang sheriff o opisyal, samtang sa corporal o sa karanggo sa pulisan na muna sa mga operasyon sa ubos na level.
Kaya,